Well, earlier today morning, ET Now had reported that Phoenix Mills, there was expected to be a significant block deal, two block deals, and we had told you about how two promoter entities were looking to exit stake, were looking to exit a significant chunk of their shareholding as far as Phoenix Mills was concerned. So as soon as markets open, you actually saw these particular block deals happening, thereby confirming the ET Now news report. Sources, via sources, we had access the term sheet for this particular block deal, and you're talking about two important and two big promoter group entities that held quite a significant chunk of holding as far as Phoenix Mills was concerned. In fact, Radhakrishnan Ramnaran Group as well as Senior Advisory Private Services Limited were the ones that are likely to have sold stake. We would get confirmation of this post-market hours. Once NSE as well as BSE update the data as far as the block deal data is concerned on the exchanges. Now, the base deal of this particular deal was pegged at 665 crore, but as per the exchanges, a little over 8 to 9% of equity has actually exchanged hands. So the base deal size seems to have utilized the upsize option, and this particular deal size could be much higher than the base deal size. The floor price for the deal was at 665 rupees a share, and that is the price at which it appears to have been done. Now remember, this particular deal was at a significant discount of over 8% to Monday's close, and what we also understand is that as far as Phoenix Mills was concerned, despite the fact that they recently concluded QIP, a lot of funds and a lot of institutions had not get or hadn't received allocation as far as this particular QIP was concerned. So a lot of funds were looking to lap up shares, and it appears as though the demand for this particular stake sale via block deal for the promoter group entities, from the promoter group entities, was quite robust. Now, given the fact that there has been a significant discount to Monday's close, this particular stock will be something that you need to keep an eye out for in the coming days. As recently as a couple of days ago, Phoenix Mills had updated to the exchanges about the number of buyers or the investors that had lapped up shares as far as the entire QIP was concerned. And if you're talking about the most important stake buyer, it was the government of Singapore that lapped up a little over 40% of the 1100 crore QIP that Phoenix Mills had come out with. Now remember, Phoenix Mills is one of the largest mall operators as far as the Indian stock market exchange is concerned. And they had earlier come to ET Now where they had said that given the fact that unlocking has begun, they have slowly and steadily started reopening their malls. While certain rental negotiations have occurred with clients as well as tenants, they firmly believe that the long term they are quite well placed to actually gain from the consolidation scene as far as the entire space is concerned. So Phoenix Mills, on the back of this particular development, will definitely be in the news for the coming